My name's Gary Cockrell. I studied medical and healthcare education in Paramedic Science. I came to study Paramedic Science in 2015 at Chelmsford, graduated in 2018 and became a paramedic with East of England Ambulance Service, and I came back to study Masters via distance learning. Having done a degree late in life, I didn't think I'd fulfilled my education. This whole thing of lifelong learning, after having started my learning, I just wanted to keep the opportunities going. They were advertising on the radio, they were having taster days. So I finished work one morning and I thought, yeah, great, I'll just go along and have a look. I looked at things that were available and I had an interest in a PG cert that was running. So I thought I can do that while I'm working full-time as a paramedic, because it's distance learning. They took me on a course and that was great. At the time, I lived 7 miles from campus, so I would cycle in, always cycled in and cycled home. It was fairly easy to balance with my life. Wasn't really much of an impact. I was able to continue doing all the things that I did because I studied on my rest days. It was a great environment and I got to know a lot of people that I still know today. My best memory of ARU is completing my master's degree and getting my distinction, which I never thought I'd be able to achieve. And that was due to the support I got. I could not have achieved what I've achieved without the support I've received here. So yeah, absolutely 100% recommend come and study a postgraduate at ARU.